on TV, on your computer, on your phone. The source for weather. The Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A wind advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 43 degrees under clear skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, windy with occasional snow showers. Low 35. Winds west-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. For Sunday, intervals of clouds and sunshine. High 50. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Sunday night, rain and snow showers overnight. Low 36. Winds light and variable. Chance of precipitation 30%. And on Monday, mix of rain and snow showers. High 49. Chance of precipitation 50%. Our 7-day outlook.
And good morning and welcome to Sunrise Weather. I'm meteorologist Jeff Morrow. Thanks for joining me on this Sunday morning. Let's get right to today's weather, which is fairly tranquil across most of the country.